Hi GT friends, it's Joshua Kohn, VP of Product and Innovation at Camfil Power Systems, and today we're going to unbox a used air filter from a gas turbine site. Are you ready to dust off a good story? Let's see what the delivery man has for us today. Well, here we have a composite filter. These are often used on LM6000 engines. Now, interestingly, this filter sure looks like it's a pulse filter, but it actually identifies as a static final filter. Unfortunately, this filter isn't making the most of its chosen design. The airflow is going towards the inside of the cartridge and then out. So will any rainwater, and once it enters, there's no way for the water to drain outwards. Even with hydrophobic media, if water's sitting inside the filter for long enough, pressure drop could build up, costing you valuable turbine performance. And worse still, hydrophobic media has its limit. Over time, contaminated water inside the filter could break through to the clean side. And for a filter that isn't pulsing, looking at the filter bank, the round shape comes with real disadvantages. The filter has so little open area, it's causing a ton of airflow restriction in the gas turbine. It's like your gas turbine is trying to breathe through a straw. All this means high initial pressure drop from the airflow restriction, along with frequent pressure drop increases because of water buildup, giving you shorter filter life. On top of that, you have a high risk of dissolved contaminants being carried over to the clean side, causing all sorts of problems for your turbine. Now look at this design, built around a more standard static filter frame. With a grid-like filter bank, you're going from 45% open area all the way up to a 75% open area for the same filter size. It's like upgrading from a studio to a penthouse suite. This gives your turbine a lot more room to breathe. So what's the takeaway from this unboxing? Use a round cartridge filter if you need to pulse off a lot of dust. Use a square V-bank filter if you're not pulsing at all. A compromise between the two makes no one happy. Well, that's it for today. Thank you, and see you next time.